Good day. JR here up at the cabin. We have a fresh snowfall. Not a significant one, but still enough for some fresh laps. So I'm about to fire up the lift and mark up this hill a little bit here. Right here is where my power comes in. So I've got my main panel here. I've got a couple plugs right there and the switches for the hill. There we go. Everything goes out underground from there, down the hill, and over to the other side in that direction. I'll show you a bit more of the wiring on the south hill later in a different video. The bottom switch actually controls a relay down over by that pole. So I didn't have to bring the power all the way here and back. I just used a low voltage circuit to control that one. This side though is all just through the switch, and then the power's going down the hill to those lights that you can see. Yeah, not a big snowfall, but the ramp is covered nicely. I had to shovel up an approach ramp here. I'll try it out here in a second. Gotta look both ways, right? All right, it's kind of cold out today, minus 17 Celsius. Not sure what that is in Fahrenheit. So I've taken it off the belt here so I can warm up the engine. And I've got this magnetic block heater on the bottom of the transmission to hopefully warm up the oil a little bit. Let's see if this thing will start. I just had to mess with the choke a little bit. Once I did that, it fired up no problem. Alright, just got it warming up here. Put the transmission in neutral. Warm up all that oil. And then right away we'll put it in gear, get this thing spinning. I'm pretty sure these are on their way out, so I'm gonna have to start designing a new set for there, but that's a pretty easy swap. I don't have to take anything apart to do that. The rope moves out of the way. All right, we're in business. Let's go for a ride. One more. only brought one shovel by mistake, but we'll get it cleaned anyways, taking turns. And I think that's good, just so that next time we can give it a flood. Try to keep the snow off it until we need to bring the snowblower. Yeah, and there's a bunch of holes in this hose too. Doesn't get better than that. Well, maybe it does. But pretty good for what we got to work with here.
Oh, dude, this would be awesome. Oh, look how smooth it is already. Multitasking. Social media and documentary filmmaking. Oh, there we go. There's the sun. Woo. Whatever mode. Right here, that's the face-off done.